Hi, I'm Jonas Urba. I'm a New York employment lawyer here with Employment Law Reality Check. When is the best time to contact an employment lawyer? That question is a lot different for personal injury, divorce, and all different types of law. But for employment law, the earlier, the sooner you call, the better. Why is that? If you've already been fired, a good employment lawyer will be asking you some very, very difficult questions about the facts that led to your termination. You either had a breach of contract, some type of an employment contract. That's pretty rare. Not very many employees, except union employees, have contracts. And the second type of claim is going to be some type of discrimination claim. And you need facts to prove a plausible theory of discrimination. So many employees have not actually thought this through while they were still working. If you call the employment lawyer early, that employment lawyer can be in the background helping you to acquire those facts, to acquire the evidence, to acquire sufficient proof or at least a theory of proof while you're still on the job, and accessing documents that you may not be able to access once you're terminated. So if you call an employment lawyer soon, or as soon as you sense trouble, hopefully when you're on a PIP, a performance improvement plan, or you sense something going wrong, that's the best time to call. Because a lot of what we do is not in the courtroom. It's not waiting for the lawsuit. We're actually trying to help employees early on before they get fired. And sometimes the goal is just to save your job. Other times it's to try to save your job, but if that doesn't work, to have an alternative option B. And the only way you're going to, most employees are going to need an employment lawyer to help them through the process. No matter how bright, no matter how intelligent the employee is, it really does help to talk with an employment lawyer and help you through that whole process. So call sooner than later. Call employment lawyers. You can call me. I'm Jonas Urba. I serve the entire state of New York. I can be reached at 212-731-4776 or at www.urbaemploymentlaw.com. Call employment lawyers, attorney advertising, and call early.